Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. Today, if you have seen the last video I made the other day, you would see this assault rifle. Same exact one. But, I've made a few changes. New handguard at the bottom of it, made it more circular. See? Feels really comfortable. Made the front post sight and made it completely the color black, and also the grip. Same with the trigger guard. I changed it up as well. Made it new. Different. Literally different. I love this gun. It actually is my favorite gun currently. I'm still working on a couple things, which I might show in the next video and stuff, but maybe not. I have no clue. And also, if you knew that I use a pen system for the magazine release and stuff, I use a pen system for the mag release and stuff. That's how I usually make these things. These mags, more like guns. But this time, I finally did it, everybody. As you can see this? And see this right here? Look inside. See that light gray and red? Look what happens when I press this part right here. It moves out of the way. As you can see. Which is really cool. And also, I have a little opening right here, as you can see. Look, I'm literally pulling my hardest right now. I'm not even joking. But perfect. This is awesome. I'm happy that I made this. First time I've ever made a magazine release, like ever. Now this is the most realistic looking and functioning assault rifle I have ever made. Nice. The grip is not too sturdy. Without proper gripping, it'll just go. Literally. That just happened. I didn't proper grip it. You have to grip it like this. Just like that. And also, when I was finishing the video, the last video I did yesterday, this part would just fall. Literally go, fall. But this time, I changed it. I fixed it for once in a lifetime. Did a really good job on this. Favorite part about this gun is the magazine. At least two. And also, if you want to build this, I'm going to make a tutorial probably tomorrow or after that with the amount of time I have. Since I'm in middle school. Yeah, I'm in middle school. Ooh. I'm waiting to get to high school. Really am. I'm trying to get to college. I'm just joking. Oh, yeah. These sights are very accurate. And also, little flipper. I've switched it out to make it more sturdier. But unfortunately, the bolt did not affect the disc cover, which is sad. I'm trying to find a way. I'm just joking. I'm trying to find a way to do that and stuff. So, yes. Favorite gun of the year. And also, if you're wondering what happened to my pistol, maybe, I don't know. I haven't posted this video yet. But this is my pistol. How to take split parts for this gun. This is how the gun's doing. That's the mag, regular mag. But I made the bottom more flat. Just imagine having this pistol as a secondary and my gun just broke. Yeah, if you had a sharp eye, you could just see a piece falling from the grip. Oh shoot. It keeps on breaking, but I got it. I'm making more sturdy. Things pretty sturdy. Just like that. Boop. Yeah, fixed it. A lot more sturdier. Just imagine having this gun as a secondary and having this thing as a primer. Run out of ammo on this one. Just like bop, bop, bop. Beautiful, beautiful pistol, dude. I love this gun. I actually really love it. And also, to let you know, eat. So I just see y'all guys in the next video. And I promised I'm going to make a tutorial. And I'll see you people next time. Be safe from the COVID. Stay away from people, no matter what. Wear masks. See y'all guys. Bye.